emperor would like it.
No way. The emperor's fancy fleets faster than a bird.
Hey, wait for me.
Look, I found a porter. Hey, come on, quick. Come this way.
Spreading, one of these days you won't be able to sing the way you do.
It's in my nature to sing, just like it's in your nature to screech.
Screech? We don't. It's the humans who screech.
They're miserable. If you're desperate, you fly.
Of course, we've evolved in far superior ways.
Exactly. They can't fly. So I sing to give them comfort.
You're a softie. Yeah, and then what? They will catch you and eat you.
No one eats a nightingale.
They eat everything. Of all their tunes, I hate this one. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Every time they have a party, they feast.
It's a massacre. I think it's in their nature.
When we are having a party, we relax and stay cool.
Your human friends, they're the silly one. She's trying to see the dance again. It's Fontaine! Oh, she's so graceful. I wish...
No time to wish. 10 minutes.
10?
Whoa.
But last time it was 15. But, no, but, I... Lady Margot, look at what I've bought for you. Ginger flower is your favorite. Oh, my dear Fontaine, how lovely. I wish all of you could be like her. You guys are like ducklings next to the swan. Shh. Fontaine, show them. Yes, Lady Margot.
Seems like they're pretending to be a worm.
I think they're trying to be birds like you.
Birds? What humiliation!
Lift your head a little, cast a sideway glance. Tiptoe bow, tiptoe bow. Lift your hand up to your lips. Now give a lovely sigh. Tiptoe bow, tiptoe bow. Lift your head a little, cast a sideway glance. Tiptoe bow, tiptoe bow. Lift your hand up to your lips. Now give a lovely sigh. If you want a life of comfort in a golden palace, Lift your dainty feet and hop. You don't get to ride up high upon the dragon's shoulder. Till you reach his mighty heart. If you want a life of comfort in the golden palace, lift your dainty feet and hop. You don't get to ride up high upon the dragon's shoulder. Till you reach his mighty heart. Sing so loud. Sing so
Focus! Light, light. Hands in the front. Yes. Like flashing your wings. You here, you scuttle like a crab. Come here, frisk your wrist. What big paws you have!
Goodness me, are you a chimpanzee?
Help! Help! Is there an assassin? Tiptoe, bow, lift your head, right. Like a swallow. Ouch. Why don't you show me? Everything comes so easily to you.
You're not too bad. You're just trying to be something you're not. That's what I don't understand. Humans can never be happy with just being humans. They have to be us, or fish, or charge like rhinos. And they have to beat us all. But at what cost?
I can never be a swallow. I'm more like an ostrich. You know, I run, I jump. I'm a proper athlete.
You can really jump. Why do you do all the silly steps instead?
And when I'm in trouble, I dig my head into the ground, like this.
You found a worm. Where?
It's weird, but sometimes I think I can almost talk to you.
Maybe you can. Some people have that gift. Now you're looking very weird.
Lift your head a little and drop them to my mouth. Ah, yes.
You're laughing at me.
Oh, don't you remember me? We met today. I'm one of the diplomats.
A diplomat. Why are you dressed like that?
Special mission, undercover work. You know.
Right. Nice to meet you, Mr.
Thai food.
Ginger, garlic, what's the noise?
Ginger garlic. What's her name?
It's oh my goodness. It's the pig. He's making the most terrible noise.
Where's that pig? I'm making char siu out of... who's this?
My cousin?
I thought you were an orphan.
Of course I'm an orphan. You know, just found out we're related, so, yep.
Sorry. I'm still thinking about that poor girl we saw today.
Oh, the one with the mother.
Poor thing. I wish I could take her in.
Oh, why don't you?
I mean, I already have all these girls. Ginger, garlic, pepper, onion, parsley, mint, sage, and coriander. I'm the head of a kitchen, not an orphanage. Well, it's good that you found your cousin. It's not easy to find someone close to you these days. Oh, you're Miss...
For you.
For you, huh? For you goes really well with Tong Choi.
A pig! Thought I would give you a lesson or two on court etiquette. Guess you wouldn't like to hear from a pig.
You will?
Well, after all, I'm a proper diplomat. I'm no stranger to palaces.
You'll teach me. Oh, please, please, please. I'll do anything for you. I can pay you. I'm paying that guard anyway. I can't even see the dance.
Well, I'll consider.
No. Don't consider. Say yes. You're undercover right now. What's better than being my personal trainer? That would give you a good cover.
Ginger, Chef asks me to give you two this.
What is this?
Who is this?
My cousin. Give her one garlic.
Okay. Here.
Whoa, 叉烧包!
The servants didn't want them because the pig was sick.
Seriously?
So this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. With her girls and the chef. What? No.
Thanks. The palace is so big. Without you, I wouldn't be able to find the imperial kitchen. Thank you. And thanks for the story. My dear fellow, what are you doing here? Didn't know you're into cross-dressing.
We're eating bugs. Oh, what stories?
They were telling me about the Prime Minister, Sharpay.
Sharpay, he's dark.
He's dark and twisted. He's twisted and rotten.
Hey, can you people be more specific?
Exactly. This is what I call intelligence then, mister. Look at them. So second rate.
Hi, there she goes again.
Excuse me. What do you mean by second rate?
Your brain!
What about Sharpay?
Oh, yes. Listen. He chopped down 100-year-old tree to rid the place of drowning me.